guys, welcome back to another video haul. For today, I will be unboxing the Zombie Forever Friendship doll. And I sound a little bit sick. And I got this at, what's the store name? Hottopic. And the girl in the purple outfit, that's the one I wanted to get, but I got a different doll. I was a little bit disappointed, but when I looked at all the stuff she got, I fell in love. This is the first time I saw this, and I'm pointing to the one that I really wanted, but I got a different one, but I love the one I got. So I'm gonna open this this package. I'm gonna open. Yeah, so let's see what's the clue that the doll. Oh, I flipped it over, so I won't even see. I didn't even look at it. You got the first peek. So the girl likes so what's the name? Cupcakes and other stuff that she didn't like. Put a clothes on. So that's a sticker to give hint. That's a baseball cap. And a stand to display her, and a bat. I love baseball. The next one, let's see what she looks like. Let's see what she looks like. Oh, she's so pretty. Look at her. Look at that. She has a long hair. Purple on the top, but blue on the bottom. I love purple. Okay, that's what she looks like. Ooh, she's so pretty. She's so pretty. I'm just showing you the one that I really want. I'm playing like boo. I didn't want her. But at the end, I fell in love with her features and all that. I was laughing. I had a pause for a moment because I was laughing because she had a brain. When I showed my mom, she was laughing too. So, I'm putting on the cap. My mom and dad was freaked out by that. I was trying to put that, and I couldn't figure it out. So I had to pause it. Then I figured it out. And I put it on her bat on her hand. I figured it out. I'm going to display her. Display. I'm going to put her there. And that's what she looks like.